Okay, review tayo for coming civil service exam. An assumption naman po tayo dahil marami pong ganitong lumalabas. At itong problem po natin na ito ay lumabas daw po nung nakarang exam. Bago po natin sagutan yan, available na po ang hard copy natin on our TikTok shop and Shopee. Just message us on our Facebook page. Yung link po ay nasa bio. Okay, so sagutan po natin ito. The doctor, the lawyer, and the farmer are neighbors. Each of them owns a house among the three yellow, orange, green houses, and a car among three red, white, black cars. The doctor owns the orange house and the lawyer owns the white car. The green house and the black car is not owned by the farmer. What is the color of the car and the house of the farmer? Okay. So, ang technique dito, elimination. Ang hinahanap lang dito, yung bahay, house, and the car of the farmer. So, basically, pag bahay ni doktor at car ni doktor, eliminate na po natin. Same with the lawyer. Kasi ang hinahanap, yung house and the car ng farmer. Okay. So, dito ang sabi niya, the doctor owns the orange house. So, sa choices natin, pag may nakita kayong orange, eliminate nyo na po. So, dito, tong A may orange, so eliminate na po natin yan. Basically, mali po yan. Dito sa letter D, may orange na tayong nakikita, eliminate na po natin yan. Okay. Kasi kay doctor po iyon. Next, and the lawyer owns the white car. Okay. So, sa lahat ng may white car sa choices, eliminate na po natin. Itong letter C. Okay, so white car and yellow house. Eliminate na po natin yan. So next, the green house and the black car is not owned by the farmer. Is not owned by the farmer. Meaning, sa may green house at black car sa choices, eliminate na po natin. Dito, mapapansin po natin na dito sa letter E, black car and green house. So dito sa choices natin, itong letter B na lang ang natira. So basically, ito po yung tamang sagot. What is the color of the car and the house of the farmer is red car and yellow house. Okay, familiar po to sa lahat po na nag-exam nung nakaraan. I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless!